First things first, let's define cancer. Cancer is a disease where a group of mutated cells divide uncontrollably and grow on top of each other in a clump, causing a tumor to form. It's a non-communicable disease. But what causes cancer? Well, usually because of the palindromic DNA sequences, meaning that the DNA sequence is the same when read from backward to forward or from forward to backward, just like how some names like Anna or Bob are spelled the same from backwards and forwards. Genetic tissue damage is called lesions. Genetic lesions and alterations can also cause the DNA to mutate, resulting in a cancerous cell. Genetic lesions include the oncogene, which are mutations of the proto-oncogene, a class of genes that controls cell division and cell death. And genetic alterations include the mutation of the tumor suppressor genes, a class of genes within our genome designed to slow down cell division. Aging is another possibility, simply because there's more time for the cell to be damaged. Moving on to signs and symptoms, the first one we're going to talk about is unexplained weight loss. Now, intentional and regulated weight loss is fine, and in some people, encouraged. But unexplained weight loss is definitely something to be worried about. Next, the lumps. The first you do when you see a lump is to not panic. Nearly 80% of the lumps we see are benign, meaning that they're not cancerous. So how do you know if you should worry? Cancerous lumps are usually painless, while benign lumps are likely to be painful to the touch. Benign tumors grow very slowly, and they don't grow to be very large. Unfortunately, a cancerous lump can be either firm or soft, so there's no real way of knowing. The only way to know if the lump is cancerous or benign is getting it checked out by a certified doctor. Do not automatically assume it is either when you see a lump. It is good to know the symptoms, but do not self-diagnose. Sometimes, blood in the discharge is also a symptom of cancer. Remember, the persistence of symptoms is the biggest giveaway that there's something wrong with you. However, depending on the type of cancer, there can be specific symptoms that are associated with cancer. For example, jaundice, meaning the whites of your eyes or your skin turn yellow, is affiliated with pancreatic cancer. So, what do you do? What should you do if you see a lump or experience a possible cancer symptom? First and foremost, do not panic. Yes, cancer is scary, but overreacting will not help. The next thing is to find a certified doctor. That's important because unless you're a certified doctor, do not self-diagnose. One very important thing, don't put it off or pretend you don't know. It's always better to get treatment early. Stay safe, keep yourself healthy, and take care of yourself.